discuss the error detection and recovery method of compiler design. To understand the error detection and recovery, first we have to understand the scenario of a compiler. We have the 6 phases of compiler: lexical analysis, syntax analysis, semantic analysis, intermediate code generation, code optimization, and code generation phase. These 6 phases are connected with the symbol table and the error handler. The symbol table is created at the time of lexical analysis, syntax analysis, and semantic analysis phase. And these symbol table entries are used by the remaining phases of the compiler to produce the target code. The error handler is also connected with each phase of the compiler. In any phase, if any error is encountered, it will report to the error handler. The error handler performs the 3 operations: error detection, error reporting, and error recovery. Like in C language, when we write any program and encountered any error like undefined symbol and undeclared variable, means it shows an error. Basically, only the 3 phases shows the error: lexical analysis, syntax analysis, and semantic analysis phase. At the similar time, error handler do their work. Now the question is, if the above 3 phases is identified error, then the why error handler is connected to the below 3 phases? The answer is, if the above 3 phases are not able to identify the error due to some ambiguity issue, then the below 3 phases identified that error and report to the error handler. Now we talk about the error. Error can be generated on compile time or runtime. At compile time, the major error generated in lexical analysis phase, syntax analysis phase, and semantic analysis phase. So the compiler can easily detect the error, report the error, but the error recovery process follows some methods. Now we will see the error recovery methods. We have the 5 error recovery methods: the panic mode method, phrase level method, error production method, global production method, using symbol table method. Now we see from the table which error recovery method is used in which phase of the compiler. Like panic mode method is used in lexical phase, syntactic phase error, but not in semantic phase error. Phrase level error recovery method is used only in syntactic phase error. Error production method is only used in syntactic phase error. Global production method is used in syntactic phase error, but using symbol table method is only used in semantic phase of the error. So we can see from this table, most of the recovery method is applied on the syntactic phase error, rather because programmer do mostly mistake in the syntactic phase rather than the lexical analysis and semantic phase. So every recovery method has some rules. So we will see it one by one in detail. Lexical phase error. First we talk about the lexical phase error and its recovery. First we see what comes in lexical error phase. The first error that identified in lexical error phase is exceeding length of the identifier. So suppose we write any program and in that program we declare the variable name, and the length of that variable name is more than 31 characters. For the C language or for the Fortran language, it is more than 7 characters. Then this is not acceptable in C language. It is not allowed in C language. Error handler detect the length of the identifier, report it, and recovered it by either discarding or showing some message like variable length exceeding. The next error is appearance of illegal characters. Suppose we declared the variable integer a comma dollar. So dollar symbol for C language is illegal character and it is not allowed in C language. So we can understand it by using a C program. Suppose we write a program void main integer a, copyright symbol dollar semicolon, and we use comment here variable declaration a is equal to 10 printf percentage d comma a semicolon dollar. In that program, the copyright symbol and dollar symbol is not allowed. So this will be discarded in lexical phase error in panic mode. The variable declaration part of comment section, it is also a lexical phase error because it is not up to the mark. /* should be used here. A is equal to 10 is correct. Printf percentage d is correct, comma a is correct, semicolon is correct, but dollar is not acceptable here. So this is somewhat appearance of illegal character in lexical phase error. Next come to the unmatched string or comment. Suppose we write here, normally we know the string is accepted in double quotation or a single quotation form. Suppose we write hello and we write here the single quotation symbol, or in comment section we just write 1/*. Then this is unmatched string or comment lexical phase error. Now come to the recovery phase of the lexical phase error through the panic mode. Suppose I write a statement integer a, comma 5b, comma sum, comma $z, semicolon. In the statement, the number cannot come in variable. So in panic mode, this is discarded and the number, it is scanned from left to right until unless the comma or semicolon is encountered. So B is also discarded. Next, sum is right. Again, dollar and Z is discarded in the panic mode. So this is all about the lexical phase error in panic mode. In the next lecture, I will cover the syntactic and semantic phase error recovery method. Thank you.